Hello all, welcome to the Engthink channel. In today's video I will show to you how to change the measurement speed unit between kilometers to miles. This could be useful for you, especially because most of these kind of Ebike display, the S866 or other similar model, come from China. And in China, the measurement speed unit is kilometers per hour. So the first thing that you need to do is turn on your Ebike, and then you can see what is the current unit. In this case here, I have kilometers per hour, and as well the odometer show the same unit, kilometers. So when I change this for miles, I can see that we changed here in the measurement speed unit and as well in the odometer. First of all, let's me introduce what I'm having here. I have the Ebike bench here that is composed of a throttle, a motor controller, PAS sensor, battery pack, motor, and the S866 display. That is the most common configuration in your Ebike. So first of all, let's demonstrate to you that the current unit is in kilometers per hour. As you can see, just right now, the measurement is around 24 kilometers per hour. Then for you that don't have any idea this kind of display, you can set some parameters, do some adjusts. Then you just press the two buttons together, the plus and minus, and then you can navigate in the power button. Then you can see that a bunch of parameters like 20 around. Some versions have more, but let's focus on the miles and kilometers indication, that is the P02. So here, when you have 0, means that the indication is in kilometers. So then you just need to change for 1 and then wait a while. Then you can see that the measurement speed unit will change for miles per hour. So now we have 14.9 miles per hour, and as well as we had before 2 kilometers and 1 mile is around 1.6 kilometers. Then we have only 1 mile indication right now. Okay, the second thing that I want to show to you is the other version of the S866. That is the color one. Is a little bit different. As you can see, the size is a little bit wide than the other, right? But the buttons is the same, and the difference basically is the color, and the way that show the information is a little bit different. So let's remove the connector and let's connect the color. S866 is the same connector, just need to hook up here, and let's power on. So here we have the information as well in kilometers per hour, odometers in below as well, same of the monochromatic version. If you accelerate, you can see that the indication in kilometers per hour, and the process is the same. You just need to press the two buttons together, plus and minus, and just navigate till P02 and then change for 1. Then you have the indication straight to miles per hour. So the basic difference that you can see immediately, the change once you are in the parameter. For example, you just change here for kilometers, and for miles we can straight visualize the unit that you are choosing, right? I will put miles per hour and then just need to wait for the display record the changes. Just need to wait a while, and that's it. I have here now the indication in miles per hour. So that's it for the video. I hope that could be useful for you, and hope to see again in your next video. Bye bye.